Creating fast and accurate bill of materials is essential to running a modern job shop. The new AI BOM Builder in JobBOSS² revolutionizes this process, ensuring fast, more accurate BOMs every time. Unmatched speed and efficiency. Leverage the power of AI to rapidly build BOMs from any JPEG, PNG, or PDF, as well as Excel sheets. What used to take hours or days to create now happens in seconds. This translates into dramatically shorter project timelines and faster response times for your customers. Accuracy and error reduction. Manual and disconnected processes increase the chances of inaccurate information. The AI BOM Builder ensures a seamless transition of data, minimizing the risk of human errors. Simply upload a snapshot of your BOM in one of the acceptable formats. AI will alert you to review records that it feels need your attention. This gives you control over the data the AI is putting together. Seamless integration. The AI BOM Builder integrates seamlessly into your established workflows, allowing you to navigate to estimating and import files with just a few clicks. Its user-friendly design enables quick adoption, ensuring teams can see immediate benefits without the need for extensive training or workflow disruptions. Future-proofing. In today's modern manufacturing environment, technology plays a critical role keeping you competitive and profitable. The new AI BOM is just one of the new exciting features coming to JobBOSS², ensuring manufacturers remain efficient and competitive. Stop wasting time and create fast, more accurate BOMs every time with JobBOSS² AI BOM Builder today.